Ready to share your amazing React creations with the world, absolutely free. First, we need to prepare our React project for deployment. This involves a few crucial configuration steps. Within your project, we'll be focusing on ensuring your application knows where it will be hosted. Your package.json file is key here, as we'll be adding a specific line to define the homepage. This tells the build process the root path of your application once it's live on GitHub Pages. Next, we need to configure our build process for React applications. This usually means using a tool like Create React App or Vite. Will be adjusting the build output to ensure everything is correctly bundled and organized for static hosting. This involves making sure our application is built into a static site. Think of it as packaging your entire web application into a single, deployable unit. Now, let's get our project ready to be deployed. We'll run a build command that creates an optimized version of your React application. This command compiles your code, bundles your assets, and prepares everything for static hosting. The output of this build process will typically be a folder, often named build or dist, containing all the necessary files to run your web app. With our project built, it's time to push it to a GitHub repository. If you don't have one already, you'll need to create a new repository on GitHub. Once your repository is set up, you'll push your project's code to it. This is the standard way of sharing your code and making it accessible for the next steps. The magic happens within your GitHub repository settings. Navigate to the Pages section here. You'll configure GitHub Pages to serve your website. You'll be able to select which branch you want to deploy from. Typically, your main org Pages branch. GitHub will then automatically build and deploy your application, making it live at a unique URL. And there you have it. Your React application is now live and accessible on the web, completely free. Thanks to GitHub Pages, you've successfully deployed your project and can now share your work with anyone.